How to use Wattpad stories. If you're confused on how to use Wattpad stories, well, I'm here to help you, so let's get started. First thing you want to do is go ahead and click on Wattpad. And once you do that, you can see that there are different books here. So these are the recommended books according to the type that you like to read. And these are the ones that are new. These are the ones that are ad picked and such. So you can just scroll through these. So you can press the search bar at the very bottom to search for a specific type of story. So if you want editor picks or adventure, so you can just browse the theme that you want to read. So if it's short story, all the short stories will be shown here. Once you select a story and you want to read it, you can continue to read it right here by pressing read. Or if you want to come back to this story and save it to your library, you can save it right here by pressing library. You can save it to your reading list as well, but library you can read it offline. Okay, so once you save this story to your library, so to access your library you need to go back, and you can see this little bookshelf sign at the very bottom. So you can just tap on that, and you can see that the story we just added is right here. So by pressing on this story, you can continue to read it here. So you can see there are different options. You can add a comment about how you're liking this chapter and whatnot. You can vote on it and say that yes, you liked it. You can again share this chapter as well by pressing this icon, and you can change the font as well by pressing this letter sign. So you can change the background to this what you want. You can increase the font, and you can also change the font type by just tapping on this. And you can go through this. There are more settings if you want to see the comments, and if you want to how you want to read this, different reading mode and whatnot. And you can access the chapter. If you want to go straight to chapter 3, you can do that by tapping this icon right here, and here you are at chapter 3. So that is it. That is how to use Wattpad stories. Also, be sure to check out our website createlogindelete.com, which is linked in the description below for various helpful guides, tips, and tricks for your favorite social media apps and software.